Hi guys, welcome to Learn with Isibor. I'm Isibor. Today we're going to learn about numbers in Turkish.
Learn with Isibor.
Number 1 is B, like one apple. B, elma.
B.
Number 2 is iki, like two apples. Iki, elma.
2.
Number 3 is üç, like three apples. Üç elma.
Üç.
Number 4 is dört, like four apples. Dört elma.
Dört.
Number 5 is beş, like five apples. Beş elma.
5.
Number 6 is altı, like six apples. Altı elma.
6.
Number 7 is yedi, like seven apples. Yedi elma.
7.
Number 8 is sekiz, like eight apples. Sekiz elma.
8.
Number 9 is dokuz, like nine apples. Dokuz elma.
9.
Number 10 is on, like 10 apples. On elma.
10.
Good job, guys. Let's count from 11 to 20. Easy, just add the number 2 on. 11 is on B. 12 is on iki. 13 is on üç. 14 is on dört. 15 is on beş. 16 is on altı. 17 is on yedi. 18 is on sekiz. 19 is on dokuz. 20 is yirmi. Good job! You did a great job. 30 is otuz. 40 is kırk. 50 is 50. 60 is 60. 70 is yetmiş. 80 is 80. 90 is 90. 100 is huge. Good job! Learned something today? If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!
Learn with Isibor.